After a brief break, SoFi is bringing back and expanding its digital financial services, mainly through new crypto-powered capabilities and blockchain innovations, allowing it to get a firmer foothold in the modern financial services space. After a nearly 2-year hiatus from crypto offerings, SoFi is relaunching crypto investing, allowing members to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum later this year. The company also intends to offer stablecoins, crypto-collateralized lending, and staking features over time. In addition to crypto trading, SoFi is introducing self-serve international money transfers to dozens of countries later this year, which will be fully automated within the SoFi app. This feature aims to create a more seamless and low-cost experience than currently exists in the market. The goal is to equip the SoFi app with more financial service capabilities than any other app. SoFi's decision to re-enter the crypto market comes after clarification from the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC, on the role of nationally chartered banks in providing crypto custody and execution services. While crypto trading may not become a major revenue driver for SoFi, it could make the platform more attractive to potential customers interested in crypto, who may also become banking customers. The international money transfer feature could be a major draw, especially given the large volume of international transfers sent annually from the U.S. SoFi's customer base is growing quickly, with over 800,000 members added during the first quarter alone. Given the new crypto features, expectations are trending towards sustained and accelerated growth, making it just a matter of time before they get well over 1 million members in a quarter. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.